Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Do you eat flax seeds? Do you know its benefits? Flax seeds is the richest vegetable source of omega-3 and its benefits can be enjoyed through golden or brown flax seeds. It is important to grind the seeds before eating them since our intestines can't digest them whole. Some of its benefits are: Number 1. Improves constipation because it is rich in fiber that facilitates the bowel movement. Number 2. Help control blood sugar thanks to its fiber that prevents sugar from being absorbed too fast. Number 3. Lowers cholesterol because it is rich in fiber and omega-3, which reduces the bad cholesterol. Number 4. Helps with weight loss due to its fiber, which increases the sensation of satiety and curbs the appetite. Number 5. Lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases since it controls the cholesterol levels and reduces fat absorption by intestine. Number 6. Reduces inflammation thanks to its omega-3. Number 7. Reduces PMS and menopause symptoms since it has good amount of isoflavone, phytosterol and lignin, which regulates female hormones. For better results, golden flax seeds is preferred since it is richer in nutrients than the brown version, especially in omega-3. Besides, Ayurveda recommends you should always eat them ground up. Did you know that? So when buying flax seeds, opt for the seeds, not the byproducts like the oil or the flour. Preparation: to prepare your flaxseed correctly, grind the seed in a grinder, blender or a food processor. You can only eat flaxseed flour up to 24 hours after making it. Make sure you eat your ground flaxseed within 24 hours after production so your body can receive the nutrient in their best forms. But now you must be asking yourself, how much should I eat? The correct amount of flaxseed for adults is estimated to be around 1.9 ounces or 3 tablespoons a day. For children, the maximum amount is 0.63 ounces, 1 tablespoon a day. But keep in mind, children under 6 can't eat flax seeds. It is worth noting that since it has lots of fiber, flaxseed powder needs water to be correctly diluted and absorbed by the intestine. So make sure you drink at least 67 ounces of water a day to avoid chronic digestion issues. In this case, it is best to talk to a nutritionist or gastroenterologist beforehand. Now I ask you to comment down below if you already knew that flax seeds needs to be ground up before eating and that it should be consumed within 24 hours. I request all of you to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water, at least 2.5 liters per day, and say no to junk food and choose high fiber foods and exercise daily. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Ayurvedic remedies.